channel. Hope you have an amazing day, an amazing night, or maybe an amazing afternoon. So in today's video, the mom has to go and buy some food for the fridge. So you know what, let's get into the video. I'm so hungry, find something to eat. You're also hungry too. Come on, let's go give you some food. Okay. You want? Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. Here is your delicious food. And I'm going to find something to eat in the refrigerator. What the heck? We have no food? I guess I've got to go and get some food. Gotta stop. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Always again, it seems like those chocolate. At least it's parking lots. I'll just park right over here. Just look at this. Okay, good. Now it's time to go. Okay, here we go. Oh, hello, beautiful place. Now let's go shop in this beautiful area. Do I need this? Wait. Oh yeah, I do need it. Okay, so how much pack of rice should I get? I'm gonna get 4. Yeah. And I'm gonna get this. Some flour and 4 pastas. Cause who doesn't like pasta? Ooh, cereal. The kids will love it. We need this one to cook some food. I need this to give my food some taste. Okay, good. Ooh, some fruits. I gotta pick some white fruits. Okay, stop taking out fruits. Can I get this one? I've got to also get some bananas and this orange. This orange and this. Okay, and now let's go and get some tomatoes. Okay, let's get 1, 2. Oh, this is getting good. 1 of this. Then I get cucumbers and carrots. Time to move on. Hello, would you like to have any bread? Oh, can I have 1 of that and 1 of that and get some bread? Of course. Here's your bread. I'll get you these just for you. Actually, I want 2 more. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Make sure you shop again. I will. There's delicious food. Oh, let's get the kids snacks. Go get the chips. Let's get this and this. Oh, the kids will love this and this. Okay, let's go. Oh, they have honey. Get honey. Now let's get this and this and this and this. Oh, I can't forget this. And all these 4. And then let's go and get these. With this. Okay, let's go. Hello. Hello. Okay, and get this and these. Okay. Thanks for shopping at Bumblebee. It is $69. What? Just for food? Ma'am, you almost got the whole entire shop. Oh, maybe I actually did. Yeah. So, 69. Here's my card. Thank you. Okay, well, let's put this way over here and get these. There's a million in this. Okay, here these bags right over here. Okay, and now let's go and put everything away. Okay guys, it's time to restock my food. This here, right over here, these right over here, this right here, right here. Okay, let me wash all these fruits and veggies. Okay. And now let's restock the other food. Okay. 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 Oh, thank you. Here we go. Look how beautiful they look. I need some coffee from that exhausting day. And now let's put it in here. Okay guys, let's get back to the video. Bye.